Hi everybody, this is Gerryl Krilic, Frisco Fit City Ambassador, welcoming you to this edition of the Get Moving Minute. And that's what we're talking about today, our Get Moving Minutes throughout the day. Look, as we get older, our need to move our bodies is more, we need to move more than ever before, okay? But this is the time in our lives where we make excuses. Why? I don't know. Perhaps we're starting to experience some old aches and pains and exercising starting to feel painful. Maybe we're just so busy taking care of everybody else in our life that we're not prioritizing our own health. Whatever the reason, it's not an excuse not to move, okay? If you don't have time for a regimented exercise routine, that's fine. Even little movements throughout the day are going to help you stay fit and help you stay healthy. The object here is to move more than we sit. And there are physiological, evidence-based benefits, lots of evidence to back up why moving more throughout the day has cardiovascular benefits, mood-boosting benefits, health benefits, as does a structured exercise routine. So if you can't do both, do one or the other, but try to move more throughout the day. Guys, even just 10 minutes a day of stretching and flexing could even translate into 5 pounds less of fat gain per year. And that's going to make the difference between being functionally fit and not being able to just do functional activities as we age. So here's the deal. I bet most of you can do just about anything for 10 minutes a day. So can you commit to 10 minutes a day? Can you try? Can you look at your schedule and figure out a time where there's 10 minutes that you could do something? And if that's not the case, I've got some tips, a few tips, how you can fit in a little bit more movement throughout the day. Number 1, think about walking while you wait. Don't just stand there, get moving. Instead of just simply standing and waiting, pace the room, sway back and forth, do some kind of movement. Number 2, could you flex while you stand or sit? While waiting around, can you do squats? Can you go up and down on your toes and flex your knees? Number 3, while you're sitting, can you arch your feet up and down and flex the muscles in the front and backs of your legs? Did you know that even just doing this simple exercise can reduce the likelihood of blood clots in your legs? This is especially important when you're sitting for extended periods of time, like on a long plane ride, or at home, working from home at your desk. Number 4, enjoy stair stepping. Make a few extra trips up and down the stairs before getting on that airplane or the bus or in that long ride on your car. Walk around the waiting room for a while. Listen. These are just a few tips, just a few ways to incorporate movement into your day. Excuse me, that's Maddie, my dog. But if it's a start and you want to learn more about the benefits of exercise in your life and get some other great tips, reach out to me. It is absolutely my purpose and passion to help others live their best lives by improving their health, their nutrition, and their mindset. This is Gerryl Krilic, Frisco Fit City Ambassador, reminding you to get up, get out, and by all means, get moving.